my friends, today I'm going to do a camera mount to my rally car so I can share a little bit of rally driving with you and maybe some pee in the pants movements, who knows. I'm going to start with this and this. You just enjoy the movie and I get started. It's probably a good idea to remove the surface treatment, so we do that. Perfect. Now my friends, I'm no expert at this, so we'll see how it turns out. That doesn't look good at all, so we grind all of the pieces one more time. Or I can put on the gas. That's a good thing to do. Maybe that's work better. And of course, change this. I always have a bunch of these ready. You can see why. Now I have the camera off and swear, and now it's working much better. Well, always forget something, dumbass. A bunch of new grinded electrodes. Now we can go on. This looks really awful, but it works. Last one looks like shit, but works. Now it's time to cut it in half. I do that outside and be back when that's done. It actually fits both ways. That's more exact. And now some drilling. Well, first step is done, and maybe we should check out if it fits okay. Well, looks perfect to me. Now the next question is where do we want the camera? I do a little bit of thinking and then we go on. Now I've done a few pieces. I don't know if it's going well or not. We start with this and see where we end up. You take what you have. It's stainless. Well, it looks like it's gonna work. Time to weld a little bit again. I think this is what we need. Now we just clean it and get some paint. Painted and ready to install. And now, my friends, I have to shut the camera off. I needed to install it. There we have it. There it's in place.